there, this is Nicole Murray Brown from Naturindas giving you your Grow Barbados Challenge tip for today. Grow Barbados Challenge is brought to you by Victory Gardens, Farm Finder, and the National Conservation Commission. So here's your tip. Watering your plants. Don't overwater your plants, whether they're in the ground or in containers. A great way to know if your plants have had enough water is to stick your finger into the soil. If the soil is wet, then you'll know your plants already have enough water to last them the day. You'd know if you don't have enough water if your soil has quite a few cracks in it, or if you have a light loamy soil, if the organic matter is easily blown away. Then you can give a water. Don't water too often, just water enough.